Getting packed up after a week on the trail, and it occurred to me that I haven't really walked you guys around and shown you some of the new gear that we're using. This is going to be a full review coming up on each and every one of these pieces, but this is just going to be a quick walk around showing you some of the stuff that we find pretty exciting. Recovery gear is one of those things you don't want to skimp on. Super important to have. We've added to our kit a kinetic rope. This one's by mooseknuckle. It's called their lug rope. It's got some pretty cool features in it. We have not had a chance to use it yet, so I can't tell you how well it's going to hold up, but based on the other mooseknuckle things we're running, it's going to hold up just great. But this one's cool because it's reflective, so if you're doing those night recoveries, you can add just a little bit more safety. When you're yanking somebody out, you'll be able to see it off the lights. There we go again, talking way too soon, jinxing myself.
I spent my whole life. Yep, backing up. Hungry for more, not afraid to fall. Had to cut a man down to get where I am. But someone had to tumble and someone had to stand. Don't try to fight, there's nothing you can do. And I'm gonna run all over you. It's too late to try, there's nothing you can do. I'm gonna run all over you. I'm looking for new blood. And nothing's gonna stop me now. Nothing's gonna stop me. Looking for new blood. Most of my life was heavy and hard.
The other thing that we're super excited about is we have added the Iceco APL 55 in black to our rig. So no more ice and coolers and spoiled food. We are now rocking a full-blown 12-volt refrigerator. It is very dirty and very dusty. It allegedly can hold up to dust and some minor weather. And I've driven through some severe weather, and it is very dusty, and it so far is doing great. Holding temperature, no hiccups, staying nice and cool, keeping all our food fresh. Full review coming on that soon. I'm excited to show it to you guys. The next thing I want to show you is what's powering this fridge. All right, so when we are driving, the fridge is obviously powered off the vehicle, but when we're parked overnight, we have to keep it at temperature. So the way we're doing that is with a bluetti EB3A. This thing carries a substantial amount of power in a small package, and as you can see, we got a 12-volt plug here that we use for the fridge. We run it through the back window. We got our input power, an ability to take solar power or 12-volt power, a couple of your regular house jacks if you wanted to. On top here you have a wireless charger for cell phones or other technologies that can handle that. 15-watt charger. You got to turn on down here, but pretty cool feature in a power bank that you don't see in very many other places. A flashlight if you need that, but really just the primary use of this has been powering this fridge. And it's been doing a great job. 268 watt hours has gotten us about 12 hours of power on the fridge, unless we keep it open and we're in it constantly, right? But eco mode, 268 watt hours, no issues. It can handle peaking up to 600 watts. And I just think that this is a perfect addition to be able to handle the fridge work that we have. We have the Elec Hive for everything else, but this is gonna be a good addition to the kit. We've leveled up our trail comms. We're rocking the brand new Midland 47-inch Highland tall GMRS antenna. It's a 6.6 decibel gain antenna that effectively makes your 50-watt radio a 150-watt radio for transmitting power. Heavy duty spring down at the bottom. We've whacked this thing on every tree in Florida, just about, and the scars prove it. And it has held up just great, and it has proven to be itself a valuable piece to our communications kit. We've had to split up by miles and miles and miles through the forest, through cities and towns, and as we go on this adventure. And this has been able to cut through all that, maintain communication so we can effectively get the things done that we want to get done, stay safe, and stay on the trail. Spring on this thing is super strong.
Lost boy, I might never ever grow up. Dream in my head and I know I'm gonna blow up. Follow to the moon like a rocket, it'll slow up.
So we also are rocking the Midland speaker. I'm mostly deaf. The soft top and the windows open make it really hard to hear the radio, and sometimes I just wander away from the vehicle and people need to find me, so they use the speaker and I can hear them, and it makes it really easy to communicate. No feedback. It's a passive speaker, so you don't need an additional power cord. It just runs off the headphone jack in the back of the radio, and you're off to the races.
Sharp dress suckers, yeah, you know we're gonna show up. Never break a sweat, got the music we can turn up. What's your favorite drink? We can keep it all flow up, all flow up. Put the windows down one more time.
They say that 2 lights is about the average size lighting package, but we want to be above average with our package. So we added a 3rd Genesis light so we can penetrate deeper, farther into the woods.
It's getting colder in the city lights. Lonely souls, they stagger like they've all gone blind. There is something bigger in the dark tonight. Dancing with the devil in the cold, cold rain. I'm not making deals because I know the game. Stealing all the secrets because I need that flame. Strike a match. I'm gonna strike a match. Watch me strike a match and burn it down. Yeah, I'm gonna burn it down. This is not so typical the way it ends. When you start a fire, you can't just pretend that you don't love the feeling in your blood.
And as always, all good things must come to an end. We are unpacked, things are put away, getting ready to go get cleaned up myself, but I just want to tell you that we're going to do a full review video on all of those things that we showed you individually, and I'm super excited to keep continuing to put those through the paces, keep using them and abusing them on the trail so you guys really know what you're getting if you decide to make those purchases. And showing you how we hooked up all 3 of those lights on the front of the ARB stubby bumper is really exciting. I can't wait to show you guys that too, so stay tuned. I think you're going to love that stuff. Which brings me to my next point. It would mean so much to me and do the channel such a huge favor if you guys would hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get alerted for all our new videos coming out, and really just support the channel. And don't forget, you can also find us over at Instagram. That's where a lot of our short form content is, and a lot of our interaction takes place. So don't forget to jump on over to Instagram, give us a follow over there. That would mean a tremendous amount to us, and it costs you guys nothing, but it really helps push our channel through the algorithm, and really feeds you guys the videos that we like, and it shows that we're doing a good job. And if there's things that you want to see or questions you have specifically, as always, in the comments down below or in the DMs on Instagram, and I will answer those things as soon as I can. Thanks for tuning in, y'all, and I can't wait to see you on the trail.